It has been revealed that Dr. Nandipha was allegedly in an abusive relationship with her lover, Thabo, after an audio was leaked on Friday and released, which we had Thabo threatening Dr. Nandipha, and she sounded very scared, you guys. The Sunday World reports that Dr. Nandipha was allegedly assaulted at her 34th birthday party by the dangerous Thabo Bester, a party which was hosted at their rental home in Hyde Park last year in September in front of invited guests, you guys. This incident reportedly happened 4 months after his escape, Thabo Bester's escape from prison. Two women who were invited to Nandipha's party reportedly witnessed the whole altercation and told the publication that Thabo Bester lost his temper over seating arrangements and slapped Dr. Nandipha multiple times across her face, and he then flipped the table, you guys. So this is what they told the publication. On the day he slapped Nandipha, it was based on seating arrangements. He told Nandipha that he was in charge of her party and he should be the one who should decide who sits where and how. The sources also said that he held them against their will when they tried to leave. After leaving, they accompanied Dr. Nandipha to the Senton police station, but she was allegedly turned away and told to sort out her issues with Bester. Now there you have it, guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you in the next update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.